A young mother was holding her premature baby girl and gently leaning on her bare chest. The small body of the premature baby girl warmed up and her breathing became more stable. This kind of skin-to-skin contact is called kangaroo care, which has been proved by medicine to help stabilize premature babies. In order to publicize the benefits of kangaroo care, May 15th every year is the International Kangaroo Care Awareness Day. International Kangaroo Care Awareness Day is a global healthy care awareness activity aimed at improving the application, research, and knowledge dissemination of kangaroo care around the world. On this day, many nurses in public and government hospitals will unite to spread the importance and benefits of skin contact care, kangaroo care. The idea of kangaroo care began in 1978. Due to the lack of incubator, doctors encouraged mothers to hug premature babies to keep warm. This simple method has significantly improved the baby's health. Kangaroo nursing has physical and psychological benefits for both babies and parents. Physically, a baby's body can better regulate temperature, reduce crying, improve sleep, and gain weight faster. For parents, kangaroo care helps to reduce stress and establish a special connection between them and their baby. On International Kangaroo Care Awareness Day, hospitals and communities organize activities to educate people about the benefits of kangaroo care for premature and full-term infants. Parents are encouraged to take kangaroo care, and hospitals also provide facilities to make this experience comfortable and unforgettable. Kangaroo nursing is a process of holding a baby, in which parent's skin is in direct contact with the baby's skin. The baby wears only diapers and is supported in an upright position on his parent's bare chest. Both mother and father can provide kangaroo care. It is usually suitable for premature infants who are still hospitalized, but full-term infants can also receive kangaroo care because it has many benefits for both mother and baby. Through kangaroo care, the young mother felt closer to her baby girl because she knew she was giving her baby the best care and warmth. All babies, especially premature babies, deserve the healing power of parents' gentle hugs. May 15 is the International Kangaroo Care Awareness Day. This is our painting with oil pastels for this special day. I wish you a wonderful International Kangaroo Care Awareness Day. Cheers!